everybody, this is Trees. Hope everybody's having a great day today. For this video, I'm gonna go on with my uh, Stranger Things leading lady makeup tutorial series. So in this episode, I'm gonna do a video on a Max inspired makeup tutorial. Let's get started. So, before I do the eye makeup, and I already put on Max, Max, Stranger Things blush and Friends Don't Lie, and then uh, also from Max the lip gloss. It's called Marvelous Max. Yep. Personally, I know it's weird, looks strange, but this is my favorite color from the collection. Yeah, it looks a little weird and look check that out. It looks a little scary, like it's supposed to be like acid green, but it's not. It looks yellow. But on my lips, it's not that scary at all. Maybe tiny bit of like buttery gold or lips. I think it's very beautiful in my opinion. Okay, so on to the makeup tutorial. So the eyes, that's the challenge. Okay, so I'm just planning what eyeshadows to use for my Max inspired makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna start off with from the Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use Max. It looks like a lavender color. So I'm just gonna guess how to guess it. Yeah, as you can see, it looks like a lavender color, but on my eyes, yeah, you can see a little bit of that lavender tint. It's very not sheer, but it's like pretty pale color. So I'm gonna put it on my brow bone. Also primed my eyes with a Makeup Revolution concealer. Forgot what it is. It's supposed to be some kind of eye concealer or concealer, but I use it as um, my eyeshadow primer, which works like a charm. Okay, yes. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna try to blend it down into the crease. Okay, so that's it from that palette. So the next one I'm going to go for. I was gonna use Upside Down from the Color Pop, but I'm not feeling it. But then again, practically everybody that made all the main characters, the regular characters, except for um, the only parent who goes there are Hopper and Joyce. Everybody, all the other parents don't go to there. Well, we'll see what happens if any more parents will end up going to the upside down for any reason, and if so, most likely, I'm not surprised if it's Mrs. Wheeler will go to the upside down. I am not surprised. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so I'm gonna use the two MAC Stranger Things palettes. So I'm just trying to. Yeah, I already planned it out. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay. So I don't think that's too much shadows to use for Max in my opinion that I can think of that are so obvious. Um Maybe I should have used that upside down one from the ColourPop Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. So let's move on. Okay, I'm gonna use Starcourt Mall, this lovely pink shade. I'm gonna I'm gonna use it this fluffy essence blending brush. I'm gonna put it on the crease. Use it as a transition shade. Yeah, that Starcourt Mall, very special place for her and 11. They were having such a great time, and then she gives uh 11 a makeover, and they were playing dress up and all that stuff. Madonna's Material Girl was playing in that montage, and they went to uh, what's his name? Scoops Ahoy, Steve Sird, them. They had a blast. But at the same time, we all know happened by the end of season 3. Sadly, it became a very sad place for Max when she saw her brother get killed by the Mind Flayer. I'll get to that shortly, okay? Yeah, I plan to use foreshadows for this look. That's it. That's relatable to Max. Um okay. I try not to do um like shimmery dark shades in the outer corner, but you know what? Just caution, let's just go for it. I'm gonna do Palace Arcade, so I know that's where um I guess she met the dungeon D&D boys. I'll use this Mac brush 217 with the looks like a pencil from Hawkins High School. Let me just see. Yeah, let's go. It's a beautiful color, but can be a little bit sheer, like not too pigmented, as you can see. Oh, ooh, whoa, jeez, ooh, Lord. It's okay. Just gonna play it by ear. Right now, my family's watching some funny. I think it's the show called Day Off. It's from the Philippines, and GMA Network, and it's about they pick a hardworking person to for a day of fun, pampering, beauty, whatever, or go to a really fun place, eat at nice restaurants. But at the same time, the cast members have to take over their job while they're having a fun day. The winner of this day off. So I assume that's what my family's watching right now. Take forever, damn it. uh, oh, whoa, okay. Okay, you know what? Uh, let's do this stuff. I don't care. Okay, okay. Oh boy. Messi. Okay. Oh, perfect. So I'm going to use one more palette. This time it's in the void. So what I can do, because I've got to put Creole House there, because um Everybody else went to the Creole house together. Um, so, so on the lid, let me get this. On the lid. I'm gonna put Mind Flare on the lid. Okay. Try not to be all the way to the, not to touch the corner. Be gentle with it. It's all right. But the lower left line right over here, fallout, messy. I'll fix it. I think I'm gonna put one more eyeshadow around there. We'll see. Okay. You know what I'm gonna do? Okay. Wait, do I have my? Let me close this up. Leave it to me to not shut up. Oh yes, I have some form of an eye pencil. I like pencil brush like. So I'm gonna use this Morphe M431 brush. What I can do, I can put the Mind Flayer in the inner corner of my eye, lower left line. Yeah. But of course, anybody should know that uh, Max is played by the lovely and multi-talented uh, Broadway star Sadie Sink. I forgot the name of the new musical that she's currently in right now. But what people don't know, if you don't know your cast members from the show, it doesn't mean you don't love them. But if you didn't, what people don't know is that she played Annie on Broadway when she was a kid prior to being on Stranger Things, and she knows Caleb. She knew Caleb. Um, her on-screen Lucas, which is Caleb, yes, and Gayton. She already knows those two because they were in Broadway at the same time together as kids. I believe Caleb uh, was in Lion King, played young Simba at the time. Then there's Gayton, who is I forgot the name, the little boy in Les Miserables. So he was in Les Miserables at the time, I believe. And then there's Sadie as Annie and stuff like that. They met it in some kind of park, where like a gathering of all the Broadway kids and stuff like that. And then Noah Schnapp, who plays their Will, he saw Sadie on Broadway as Annie. So small world. I must tell you, small world. Okay, so I'm gonna do last color. I'll do Creole House because all that crap went down in season 4. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. I know this look is a mess, but I'm doing the best I can. Okay, I think it looks really good. Anything else? No, that's it. Because I don't want to talk too much. I don't want to talk too much. I can talk forever and ever, ever about what happened in Universal Studios. I might as well. When I was in Universal Studios for Halloween Horror Nights, when it's gonna be 2 years since Universal came out in Orlando and Hollywood. Their Stranger Things for Maze. In the one in Hollywood, there's a scene where they had Lucas and Max. They're in some stairwell, and Lucas was saying, "Hey, don't get scared," and she was like, "Stay away." I said, "Stay away," and so, and then if you're lucky, Vecna comes out, pops out of some window, some mirror, and before you leave the room. And so, what's so funny about it was that uh, I was screaming at Lucas, saying I passed by him, and then he was all, and I said, "Hey, Lucas, when do you see Jason? Kick his ass!" And then Max was on the stairway, on the stairs, and then she pretended to lean over the banister to pretend to scare me with the lamp that she was in her hand and stuff like that. So yeah. Cool times. Okay, anything else? No, that's all I can say. Okay, until my next video, whenever that is, peace out. Bye.